Hi, this is the full conceal perspective. A common question is, what is the major feature and benefit of a full conceal M3 pistol? This is the M3D based off of the Glock 19. And being able to fold it, there are two major benefits. The first one is being more concealable, and the second one is more capacity. So in this configuration, it's a rectangle shape, so it's going to have a footprint of a typical cell phone in your pocket. You can safely have one in the chamber. We'll go over the safety mechanism in another video. But in this configuration here, you don't need a holster, so you're not going to have any belt clips that are potentially exposed or any type of a bulge that comes out of on top of your waistband. And then you also have that 21 plus 1 rounds of capacity that can be deployed with just one swift motion. It locks right in and you're ready to shoot, ready to go.